Hi guys, figured I'd get the bicycle out today, the old mountain bike. It's beautiful outside, so I wanted to use it before we get a bunch of rain. They said it's going to rain for the next 4 days. As far as the mountain bikes go, this particular bike's a Mongoose. I believe it's a 21 speed, 27 inch bike. And we use these a lot on our metal detecting adventures. We can actually strap our gear to the back of the bike there and go to various places that we metal detect. But it is always good to get some exercise. So I figured I'd dig it out and clean it up and take it for a ride today. I hope you enjoy what you see. Thanks for watching. We do have some good bike trails here, guys. I always enjoy the stuff downhill. Nice spider web straight in front of us. We'll see if we can avoid this dude. There we got it down there. Awesome. setting up on hole number 14 on the disc golf course, guys. It's a par 3, 264 feet. You can probably see that. We're getting ready to drop in and head down the hill. Way down the distance down there is the basket. This is a nice hole to play. It's just a lot of fun. As you can see, there's plenty of stuff to go around. But this hole at 264 feet has almost been aced 2 or 3 times already. So that's a pretty good shot down through there. Let's get back to riding. Well, I'll tell you what, another beautiful day outside today. Trying to get all the outdoor footage I can for us because I know the weather's going to change, and like I said, we've got a storm blowing in. They're saying it's going to rain for 3 or 4 days in a row. But beautiful day to be outside, more specifically to get exercise riding on the bike. That was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoy the footage. And if you do, like and subscribe for us. We do appreciate you watching. We hope we're at least doing something for you that you enjoy. I will see you in the next video.